Race number 7, penultimate race. And the race on. Silver Glads fast to begin, rising up is Anton number 6, Banay Banay. Bliss Danori inside, rising up is Quick Storm, and on the outside is The of Jade, and inside the last 800, Silver Glides followed by The of Jade. On the outside, Northern Isabel in between runners, Banay Banay, running by the release Bliss Quick Storm. And as they race the last 550, Silver Glides by a length and a half, followed by Bliss in second, The of Jade, Northern Isabel, Quick Storm, rushing up on the outside as they race the final corner. Silver Glides on the outside, The of Jade, Bliss Danori inside, and Northern Isabel, Quick Storm on the further outside. It's the Silver Glide, Bliss on the outside is entry number 6, Banay Banay. Bliss Banay Banay is on the outside, Banay Banay, Bliss by the rail, and finally Banay Banay, Bliss, Silver Glides, Northern Isabel, Quick Storm,